We got a big thumbs up. Let's play our game. Drivers in your stations. We go in 3, 2, 1, go.
I see 1, I see 2, I see 3, I see all 4 robots moving here in qualification match number 15. 20 seconds remain in autonomous. Neutral sample, unfortunately not in the high basket for red on that occasion. Sushi Squad, they scored 1 in the high basket. They scored 1 in the net zone, 1 outside the field, and we're briefly attempting level 4 climb. That's not a thing. They stop for now. Meanwhile, several specimens on the high chamber for red.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
2 minutes now on the clock in teleop as Sushi Squad attempts to free themselves from the clutches of the low basket. They raise their arm and make their way out of that corner. Meanwhile, 5 specimens already scored on the high chamber for the Red Alliance. 1 on the low for blue, I believe, from the Dragons. That puts our live score at just over 90 seconds at 127-39 in favor of red. Sushi Squad, front and center, grabbing a red sample from the submersible zone. They now quickly scurry their way towards their observation zone, dropping it off for the Minutemen human player to convert to a specimen. Sushi Squad, some sort of pre-programmed routine here as they carefully back away, rotate their claw. Some sort of alignment going on here. Looks like they may be trying to grab themselves a sample from the submersible zone, perhaps, or lining up with that specimen. We got some field crew working here to try to get them back up to speed. And here they are now once again reaching into the submersible zone for another game piece. Meanwhile, bottom left corner is 64-24 Oli Cal. Looks like they'll need some technical support as well. They got another lovely member of our field crew just behind them, trying to get them reconnected. Top left corner of the field of the Blue Alliance is the Dragons 2.0. As we enter the last 30 seconds of the match, another successful high sample scored by both Dragons and the Minutemen. Minutemen score yet another and another and another. Here comes a third sample scored in our last 30 seconds of the match. 8 points added to their total. They're trying to catch, or not catch, they're trying to further their lead, 231-95, with 7 seconds left to play. Precarious last samples scored on top of that overflowing basket. Some interesting end locations for our robots and a very full. Scores now confirmed for match 15. Under the sea we go. Red Alliance takes the win in that match, 262-101.
Qualification match 16 is up next. Yes, we can count, and yes, we're going to do it every time because